Welcome to Kenzai Band Camp. Today we're talking about the abs and the core. Now you might think when you're talking about the abs that it's all about sit-ups, crunches, that kind of thing, but this is so boring. With a little resistance, you can get some great effects and break up the monotony. First one we're gonna do is what we call the turbine. We're gonna take our resistance band, loop it around something or our door anchor at roughly mid-chest height. From here, I'm gonna hold this like a baseball bat with two hands, get my feet stabilized, and I'm gonna twist against that resistance. Now when I do this, my right obliques are kicking into high gear to work against all that resistance. And the left side internal obliques are also doing their best. Very effective. So you go through reps on one side and you switch it over. And now you're on the other side. Turbine. I love the effects I get from this exercise. I can definitely see it in the mirror. In the same kind of idea, you can work this diagonal line by putting the band lower. Somewhere around shin height is enough. Again, we're grabbing it like a baseball bat, and I'm extending up this time. We call this a golf swing, because it looks like that follow through of a nice golf swing. Hits the abs and obliques from a slightly different angle. Same idea, when you're done with that side, you flip it over, and you're working the other side. Extremely effective. Now let's say you want to really hit the central line of the abdominal muscles. You could do a kneeling crunch. I'm going to switch to a lighter band and take it over the top here. Now I got my band set up. I'm actually going to kneel. Keep the hands up here behind me. And you can kind of pin the hands to the back of the skull. And you're crunching down. And what's happening is I'm essentially doing a sit-up in the air against the resistance of the band. It's a great way to mix up your sit-ups and hit the top of the abs in a brand new way. Finally, kind of a fun little exercise. You take your band and you're going to use this in a different way. Sitting on the floor, I'm going to use like a rope. Start it here, under the feet, and we go in and out. In and out. We call this the in and out. It's a really tough one, because you got to suck those legs up as deep as you can. That's another fun way to use the band. So even though ab work is usually not associated with resistance bands, there's a lot of things you can do with this simple tool.